Barlow Creations. If you are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. So what do I have for you today? Today I am bringing to you my makeup and nail polish haul for the year. It has been a while since I've bought really good new makeup. I've really just kind of been sticking to some of the less expensive e.l.f. makeup, but there is makeup that I really like to buy, and this makeup is by Avon, and it is honestly one of my favorite lines. It is their Smooth Minerals line. It is a line that I have been using for about 5 years, and it's not a makeup that I wear every day. It's a makeup that I wear when I really want that flawless look, and I love the way this Avon line feels on my skin. Avon isn't what it used to be when my grandma used to order it. Avon has amazing makeup, and they always have some really great sales that are like buy one, get one 50% off, buy one, get one free. And the best part is that they are so reasonably priced. The Smooth Minerals line that they carry that I personally really like a lot is very comparable to the Bare Minerals makeup line. And honestly, I have used Bare Minerals before and I don't see much of a difference other than the cost. So today I'm going to be bringing you my makeup haul because I did buy a lot of Avon online. I'm also going to be sharing with you the new nail polish colors that I just picked up by Pure Ice. Pure Ice is a nail polish that I just recently tried a few months ago, and I really was impressed with the wear on it, and the colors are amazing. Walmart had a huge display of them the other day, and so for $1.98 a bottle, I restocked and got myself some new fun, amazing colors that you can expect to be seeing in all of my upcoming DIYs. So let's jump into this haul and let me show you what makeup and all the fun nail polish colors that I just picked up. Let's take a look at what I ordered. And would you look at this box full of goodies? What is it about getting new makeup that's so exciting? I just love having new makeup. I've always really liked that summer glow, that sun-kissed glow that you get from a bronzer, and so that's something that I always use. And Avon's bronzing powder is amazing. I love it. It lasts all day. It doesn't rub off once you've put it on. And so this is something that I order probably 2 or 3 of because I do use it daily. There are days when I don't even put makeup on and I will just throw this on my face with nothing else just to give me that sun-kissed glow. I got 3 bronzing powders. That's how much I like it. And it is just their bronzing powder. And I gotta tell ya, I really like their mascara. This Big and Multiplied mascara works amazing. It's one of my favorites. I've tried other mascaras. I always come back to this one. This Big and Multiplied mascara by Avon is absolutely the one I use daily. Their Smooth Minerals blush. Now their Smooth Minerals is very comparable to the Bare Minerals line. I don't see a difference, and it is for a fraction of the cost. So this is the Smooth Minerals blush in the color of Fard. I picked up a lot of doubles because they had a promotion going of buy one, get one half off. And so, you know, you pay $7 for one and then you pay $3.50 for the other. And so you just kind of can't beat that. And I go through this quite quickly as well. And one of the Smooth Minerals powder foundation, I really love their powder foundation. And I got it in the color of Sand Beige. Yeah, that's a nice color. I like that, Sand Beige. And I also picked up one of their cream to powder foundations. I really like this one a lot too. I love the way it dries and it really gives you a nice matted finish. And I got this one in the color of Natural Beige. I kind of wanted to try a different color this time. And what I love about Avon is if you don't like the color, you can return it for a full refund. Oh yeah, that's pretty. And it comes with the sponge applicator for it. I usually use the cream to powder foundation for special occasions. I don't use this for everyday wear. I usually try to keep it for when I really want that flawless look on my face. This is perfect for that. An 8-in-1 eyeshadow palette. Pretty colors, all of those nice earth tone colors to give me that smoky-eyed look. 2 of their lip crayons, and these are the matted crayons. Oh yeah, these are beautiful colors. Loving that color. Oh, that's perfect. And what color is this? This is Mod Mocha. Like that a lot. I think I'll wear that one today. And this is Mauve Model. It's got a bit of a more purple look to it. Ooh, that's pretty too. One of Avon's Super Extend Precise Liquid Eyeliner Pens. These are so awesome. If you have trouble putting liquid eyeliner on, let me just tell you that this pencil is amazing. It makes it so stinking easy to put your liquid eyeliner on. Look at that tip on this. And I tell you, when you put it on, it just doesn't get any easier than that. It is so easy to do, as thick or as thin as you want it. And 2 of their lip pencils, these I think were like $2.99 a piece, which is awesome. And I got 2 that just coordinate with the lip crayons that I got. And lastly, I picked up one of Avon's eyeshadow primers in the color of light beige. I really like this primer. I have found that when I use it before I put my eyeshadow on, my eyeshadow stays on all day flawlessly. It doesn't crease in the middle, and yeah, it is just an amazing primer, and you get a lot for what you pay. I think I paid $5 or $6 for this, and you get a nice size bottle. This will last me a year plus, easily. I am so stinking excited about these new nail colors from Ice that I've picked up at Walmart. This will definitely get me through the year, along with some of the Sinful Colors that I've picked up at the Dollar Tree. And if I continue to find any new ones that I don't already have, I will pick those up as well. But over the last 2 years, I really haven't bought any new polishes, except for here and there, and I'm just really getting burnt out on some of the colors that I keep wearing over and over. And so since I know that I really like Ice a lot, I found some colors that I don't have with Sinful Colors, and so it'll be fun to have new colors to wear over this next year. The first color that I picked up is this gray, and it's called Stone Cold. I've been on the lookout for a gray polish for a while now. Sinful Colors used to have a gray matte that I absolutely loved. They discontinued it. I love this one because this gray has this ultra fine gold glitter in it. Love, love, love that. And I paired it with this I've Got a Confession, and I do that on my accent nail, and this one also has an ultra fine gold in it. How about this limited edition blue that also has a real fine glitter in it, and the name is Fly High. And this beautiful light blue, Periwinkle in Time, is the name of this color. This is a new shade. It is along that neutral nude line, and I love those colors, especially when I've been crafting a lot and my nails have broke and I don't want to draw a lot of attention to my nails. I like to wear these colors, and the color is called Not So Basic. And as well, this nude has that real fine gold glitter. And how about this beautiful gold? And this is Goldilocks in this gorgeous purple that has kind of got that iridescent look. This one is called Day to Night. I cannot wait to wear some of these. I got a couple of different reds, and this one is Party Time. I love this deep dark red with a bit of fine glitter in it as well. And this one is a bit of a brighter pink, but still along the red line, and this one is called Good Karma. This one is along the red and pink line. It's got a bit of purple in it, and this one is called Rumors. This one is a pinkish red, and this is called Wear Red. And my last 2 bottles, I picked up some nice fun pastel colors, and this one is a beautiful pastel green, and it's called Peas Be Quiet. How stinking cute is that? I love the names of these polishes. It's so fun. And this light pastel purple called Sweet Serenity. And that is it for my Pure Ice nail haul. I typically just stick to Sinful Colors because I love all of the different lines that they carry. And so since I know that I love this polish, I am excited to pick up more colors. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for my makeup and nail polish haul that I am really excited about. It is replenished and I am feeling good about all of the makeup and nail colors that I have for the upcoming year. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get this video to 2,000 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.